All right, so recently we installed the GTR Ultra 2 bulbs in the factory projector lights and the factory fog lights. But you can see on the reflector, there is a little bit more glare, so to say. And you can see it appears bright even though we're not even in the fog light beam pattern in the zone where it would impact you and look bright. So you do get that additional glare. It's not ideal. I'll show you how it looks in a little bit. And these are the factory halogen fog lights with the GTR Lighting Ultra 2 bulbs. You can see it's really bright. There's just a lot of light spread above what's supposed to be the cutoff. And you can even see it kind of above the walls on the left-hand side up here and to the right. So while it is bright, it's not as focused as it should be. And let's see the change with the Diode Dynamics Elite Series.
And the Ultra 2 comes in at 130 lux on our wall.
And just as a follow-up, this is with the bulb installed, with the light off. You can see factory setup here. We'll show you what the Elite Series looks like installed. All right, here we've got the Type A Diode Dynamics Elite Series. This is the yellow. The wiring will be set up in just a moment. It's fully adjustable. I'll show you how this looks. All right, so the Elite Series are installed now. And something cool about them is the fact that it comes with that accent light. So it's an amber accent light. Comes by default on all the Elite Series, no matter which size. And that just gives you a nice amber accent light. We've actually got that connected to the daytime running lights, which is the same thing that we've done with the V6 train system. We've added a daytime running light and technically an accent light on the front end of this Honda. And when you turn them on, you get a nice yellow output. These also come in white. You have to choose white or yellow, but you can see they don't have that glaring effect that the factory halogen reflector fog lights had with a high power LED bulb. You only get their output once you're kind of in the beam, once you're close to the ground. So that's much better for oncoming traffic. And we'll show you how the output looks in front of the wall. All right, as you can tell, these are the Elite Series in yellow. You can see how well defined and uniform that beam pattern and that beam spread is. You get a lot of width, and you don't have that light up that we had on the warehouse walls. It's much cleaner. There is a little bit of light above the cutoff, but it's probably just bouncing off the ground. It's not actually stray light. So this gives you a nice controlled beam pattern, and I think this is a much better option than dropping in high power LED bulbs into your fog lamps. But let us know your thoughts. Leave a comment below, subscribe to the channel. We'd love to hear from you.
And a final reading, 256 lux on the Elite Series.